Right, please have words.
I want to appreciate.
I showed you more of grammar school.
With due respect, sir, I answer, sir. Chief Olusegun Aremu Obasanjo, BDHS.
No.
Reuben.
Cheers. Good.
Yes.
Your hand.
Those of you who cannot talk, point your hand at us. Then we will count from 1 to 60. 1. Move now. Move. 10. 30. 40. Bishop, I will get to the kingdom of heaven before you.
You don't do all.
Not only because I will die before you, because I will wonder, but because of the grace of God.
Matthew chapter 4.
Matthew Olusegun Abati. 50. 55. 57. 58. 59. 60.
We hereby formally present this report for the Nigerian and international public.
Please.
Thank you so much. People are already tired, so I wouldn't take much of the time. I should be able to get through it in 1 minute. Today is a special day, first for the day of Reuben Abati. You're celebrating your diamond jubilee today with your beautiful wife. So first, happy birthday to my younger brother and good friend, Reuben Abati. And I remember Genesis 6 verse 3 say a man should live 120 years. Not the Psalm 90 that talks about this constant. So the day that you are celebrating 60, you still have another 60 years to go. And luckily for you, Kike will still be very elegant in the next 60 years. So you will still attract those beautiful love letters. So we wish you well and we join you to celebrate you at 60. It's a remarkable age to celebrate. And you have achieved significantly from all the testimonies, from those who have made speeches, and I don't want to bore the ears of people by repeating those. And as a person, let me also commend you very significantly. I first met Reuben in 2010 or so. That was the beginning of Facebook, when I had a lot of fans that were posted all kinds of things in the Facebook. Then your late friend, Oronto Douglas, compiled all these Facebook postings and say the friends of Jonathan. And we launched that book in Lagos. And that's what you were invited to come and review the book. And because those Facebook posts are very tiny little things. So when it looked through, it doesn't really make so much sense. But when Reuben Abati took over the review of that collection, said this is somebody that has something upstairs. It shows that you are a scholar, brainy, and intelligent person. And no doubt all your colleagues have been pouring encomiums about their contributions to mass communication in Nigeria. We pray that you still continue doing those in the next 60 years before you get to the biblical 120 years. And on the books, we have to thank you for contributing to knowledge. I always like people who write about me because sometimes it's so difficult for you to even write about yourself. Because people know you more than you know yourself. When you tend to write about yourself, probably there's this tendency to overpaint yourself in too many bright colors that probably you don't deserve. But when people write about you, it makes more meaning. So I'll be very, very interested to read how Goodluck Jonathan became president from back to back. And I need to do that in the next couple of days. And when you talk about how I became president, the man who made me president is right here. I hope you probably reflected about that years ago. I hope you captured his role very. As a journalist, you follow up my stories even before you join me in the State House. So thank you for that. Because there were a lot of ups and downs about my political journey. But actually, my political journey looks like a political miracle. From deputy governor to become the president of this country in 4 years was a miracle. It's only God that made it possible. I have to thank you for documenting it, and I know your scholarly competence. And this will be one of the best collections. If somebody wants to read about Jonathan and the State House, I sincerely thank you, and I'm grateful. And let me thank all of you for coming today, not giving vote of thanks. That is Kiki's job. But Reuben Abati served with me very well. He's like a younger brother to me, and I have to appreciate that all of you, especially his king, his traditional rulers and others, who are here, my good friend Otti, Binga, Daniel, and all others that are here to celebrate him. Father Kuka, thank you for that Episcopal lecture. In fact, when they were bringing the paper to you, I wanted to jump up to go and push them away. Because we were still enjoying the presentation. I think you give me a copy of that speech. There's a lot to learn from it. And you're a scholar, and you've done very well. And the book reviewer, thank you for a good job. As you were reviewing the book, I know that you and Abati belong to the same constituency. That's why you were able to link up all this in a very simple and clear manner. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you.
Is the miracle working God? Is the miracle working God? Is the God of the Jonathan? Is a miracle. Please a big round of applause for former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. You are 60, you are 70. You have those races who are strong to go to 80, some want to go to 90, they are naughty. I need to go to 100, go to 4. I believe the books are well written, and we are very proud of you. We've known you for more than 40 years, and you've done well, rising from a quadrigenarian to the sixth centenarian that you are now. And I think a message to take away from here is that books will be written, speeches will be made. What counts most is the 3 C's: chances, choices, and consequences. Nigerian leaders have the chances. May God give them the wisdom to make the good choices from the chances. The consequences of our decisions in 1960 are being felt right now. But we do have an opportunity to recharge, as Martin Booker has said. May God give us through people like Reuben Abati, people who would recognize the chances still around us, who would have the wisdom and inspiration to make the right choices, so that the consequences for this generation and the future generation will be beneficial to all concerned. Congratulations to all of us.
The former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Olusegun Obasanjo, and President Goodluck Jonathan. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, well, I'm happy to be here today to join my mentor. I call Abati my mentor because we were in the same industry before. Honestly, he has done so many wonderful things personally that I may not want to mention here this afternoon. But honestly, he's an extraordinary human being. He has done wonderfully well in the media profession, that I continue to follow him even while I was away in Nigeria, outside Nigeria. So today is to celebrate my dear brother, because we are from the same state. I want to celebrate you, Dr. Reuben Abati. You have been wonderful, and that is why your colleagues call you monumental, because nothing compares with you in Nigeria media industry. So, congratulations and God bless you.
President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The two of them who are here with us, I think we're very lucky to have them here today. But my own senior Chief President, Obasanjo, Other Excellencies, my Lord Bishop, Cabinets, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. 20 years ago, when I became the Alaki of Ghana, I promised that I would celebrate every son and daughter wherever they live all over the world. Today, I'm very happy to be here for the birthday of a great elder son, a man of letters. Even though he did not attend my secondary school, he went to an older in age. My school has produced 2 heads of state in this country. My school has produced so many professions. Their school has produced Abba-Nega. That is their school. Now, I want to talk about the celebrating today. A great man of letters, who's we didn't know that he's capable of the kind of English that the form of no one. All those people, and all this English. Because it's English in all his newspaper reports and on the television is always simple, elegant English, fantastic way of constructing various sentences. I want to thank you that he has raised once again the level of the sons and daughters all over the world. Not just being first in medicine, the first medical hospital in Nigeria in 1895 was based in Abuja. Not just in law, the first in Illinois St. George, and so on and so forth, including the newspaper itself, the first newspaper in Nigeria, also in Nigeria. Going of accountancy profession, name anything good in this country, to find an environment at the top of it. I want to say, the best is yet to come. He ain't saying nothing yet. is only 60. By the time he's celebrating 70, and then he will become a second government in Africa. I wish you best of everything you wish yourself. And congratulate you about the country, the great partner that has enabled you to achieve all the things we are celebrating today. I don't have a problem. I don't know what I was doing. Ilé ìfowópamọ́ ṣe fún mi kò jáde lọ fún ẹ. Ọjọ́ ìmọ̀ àtẹ̀lé àtẹ̀lójú. Ó ṣe máa rí fún ẹnìyàn. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Okay. Thank you, Gary. Just to recall you from this country. Okay, can we come for you? Let's just take pictures here. Thank you very much. James and Elizabeth, where are you? Come and take shots with your papa. And Wasil, please. Please come. Meaning, ọjọ́ àgbòkí ti pẹ́ ní ẹgbọ́. Not be today, you don't think. Shami, please come up. Shami, please come up. Shami. All right. Thank you, Lord.
Coming up.
Yes, others are joining them. Mr. President, please. Distinguished Senator Daniel, please kindly join us. Kabiyesi Alake, please. We are asking you to